10:45 a.m. At 11:17 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Greenville, or 13 miles northwest of Grove City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Grove City, Starnaboro, Harrisville, Sandy Lake, Clintonville, Fredonia, Kennardville, Jackson Center, Barkerville, Cherry Valley, Morris K. Goddard State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 119 and 131. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 21 and 40. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.